Hey there, in this video we will explore how a fake website deceives innocent victim to get their payment card details along with one-time password. So I came across this website recently, which is a fake one. So before we start further, just a few points to keep in mind. These days several new companies pop up and provide offer to attract new customer or increase the customer base. So most of the netizens are used to this marketing, and some may think to take advantage of such marketing campaign. However, fraudsters take advantage of this mindset by using new tactics in line to the market behavior. So let's start exploring. So in this website, A2Fresh simply better.in, on entering the website we could see it has a secure site. The connection is secure, that is fine, but we will not dwell much into that, like whether what certificate they have used. We'll try to keep the technical things outside and see in a layman's perspective. First, they have put a deal which ends soon. So next, the price is way low. The price is around like 250% less than the normal market price. And if you scroll through this website, they have a wide range of dairy product lineup, which gives a sense that they are a big dairy company. And they have even, seems like they are promoting a particular type of milk. And if you scroll down, they have a lot of information about the milk, which mimics a normal web page which tries to promote a new type, like a fancy marketing thing. Okay, let's go and try to do a purchase. So I'll start with this one. So in order to keep my personal identifiable information safe and everything, I will be using a dummy thing. So abc at abc.in, full name, full address, zip code as you wish, phone number 12345678990. Okay, let's continue. Okay, it says from when you have to start the delivery. Let's put 17th. Continue. Okay, in the payment page, if you notice, this is a Razorpay logo and they say Razorpay trusted business. They have even offer of a few banks which gives a payment offer. But if you notice the URL, it is digimonitor.in. The domain has nothing to do with Razorpay. After the domain name, you have the Razorpay. So Razorpay is within this shady server, and the domain has no relation to Razorpay. But it, as if the URL has a Razorpay, it mimics the normal Razorpay website. Okay, I'll give a dummy number only. 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 16 digit. It says card number is invalid. Still, we'll go ahead. Name CVV123. So I'm going to say save this card, pay now. Even after clicking save now, it still asks whether I have to save or not. Payment is processing for an invalid card number, which is not a payment card at all. Okay, in a real world this could have ended in an error page, but in this case, what I guess is the people behind this shady server, they are using a HTML form to get the card details first. Now they would got the card detail, and they might be trying in another website where they can monetize the fund easily. So when they try it in another website, the victim might get a OTP in their mobile number. More likely the OTP will be of that. Since the amount was $499, they will try to put an amount like 15,499 or 10,499. So when a victim sees the message, they will read 499 immediately, and they will think that they are doing transaction for the same thing, but that they might miss to watch out the merchant name and the OTP. Let me give 1 2 3 4 5 6. Incorrect OTP. When the card is valid, it took to the other page, but when the OTP, it is not validating the OTP. In this step, what they might do is, since they have the card details already, they might be attempting a second transaction, but the victim might think that it is a OTP is wrong, and he might give the OTP again. So they might have tactics to do multiple transactions based on this. Okay, I'll stop here and we will start a review of what are the red flags, how to check from a layman perspective. Few simple checks. How to identify a scam? Let's check. In the website, D ends in. creates a sense of urgency. The price is discounted. The third point is the domain name. The domain name and the Razor Pay after the domain name makes no sense with the Razor Pay trusted business, because Razor Pay in the URL lies after the domain name, which is behind the shady server. This is an attempt to build trust wrongfully. If you check these three URL, the domain name, which is in purple color, should have relation with the website because they are the rightful owner of the website. However, in dgmonitor.in, the Razorpay is after the domain name, which is behind the shady server, and hence this makes no relation with the Razorpay trusted business within the website. So we have sense of urgency, deep discount, and building trust wrongfully. Sense of urgency is medium severity. A deep discount is of a high severity. Building trust wrongfully is a critical red flag. These three are a perfect mix to win a victim. Thank you. So we have checked on the layman perspective, but few technical stuff, very few technical stuff to see how clever this people behind this shady server has done. So if you take on this certificate, the certificate is issued by Google Trust Service. Google Trust Service is promoting to give the certificate for website which are hosted in their Google service or even in else other service provider. This is to uh, enable multiple people to have their own website, everything, but that is being used for a wrongful purpose. Let's continue. I will go to the next URL as well and show some interesting thing in that. So if you see this digi monitor, this we are not going to that website itself. If you click digi monitor, that is in the payment page, you see Razor Pay, but accidentally if somebody says that why Razor Pay is not there, and if they delete the URL and if they click only with the domain name, this will redirects the to Razor Pay. This is a simple redirect which can be achieved using some free DNS service provider. So this gives a sense that Razor Pay, the real website, is involved, but that is not the case because it is just a redirect which is normally used in the internet world.